Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox Solar NXG Plus 1100 inverter of Luminous company. Friends, by the end of the video, you will know back panel settings, energy saving, specifications, etc. Friends, this is the hybrid inverter. So you can take the supply from mains and the solar panel. Friends, this can be used as a normal inverter also. So if you have any plans to go with the solar panels in the future, then you can choose this inverter. This is having volt ampere rating of 700 volt amperes. So with this rating you can load up to 2 lights, 2 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter, friends. Friends, this is the sine wave inverter. So you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noise. Friends, as this is a sine wave inverter, this is best suitable for cities, low voltage of areas and low time power cuts. If you want to know the reason, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen and you can click on the I button. Friends, you can select the battery type also over here. If you have selected tall tubular battery, then go with the tubular. If you have selected flat plate, then go with the flat plate. If you have selected GEL or VRLA, then go with the GEL or VRLA selection. Friends, you can select the charging current also over here, on and off. Okay, on means high charging current, that is of 15 amperes. That is best suitable for more time power cuts. Off means low charging current, that is of 10 amperes, friends. That is suitable for low time power cuts. Friends, based on the capacity of the battery, you have to select the charging current, friends. If you have selected high capacity battery, then go with the high charging current. And if you have selected low capacity battery, then go with the low charging current. Here comes the question, why I have to do that? What will happen? Okay, friends, if I have selected high charging current for low capacity battery, it is going to decrease the battery life. If I have selected low charging current for the high capacity battery, it is going to charge your battery slow, which is not efficient for us, which is not a good idea. Okay, friends, this is having warranty of 24 months, supports up to 800 watt solar panel. Friends, this is having DC voltage of 12 volts. So this is the single battery inverter, friends. As per the solar estimation chart, you can have 150 ampere hour of battery 1, and you can select 165 solar panels 4. Can be connected in parallel, and area required is 80 square feet, friends. You can select 4 of each 165 panels. Okay, so 165 into 4 we will get 660 watts. Friends, you can select the eco mode or UPS mode. On the back side of the inverter, you can see the red button. You have to press for the 2 seconds to change the mode. Friends, this is having fuse. Okay, if any overload or short circuit takes place, it is going to off. At that moment, you have to press it to reset the fuse. Friends, no need to replace it with a new fuse. You have to just press the button to reset the fuse. This is having efficiency of more than 80%. That means for every 100 watts of input, it is going to give you the output of more than 80 watts. Friends, you can save the energy from 1.5 units to 3 units in a day. That means you are going to save 45 units to 90 units in a month. Friends, for more details, please go through the link in the description below. Follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company Solar NXG Plus 1100. Here you can see the logo, friends. This is sine wave inverter, friends. Here you can see. Display indications will be like this, friends. Friends, here you can see Luminous company Solar NXG Plus 1100. Okay, here you can see logo, friends. Now I am going to unbox this inverter. Friends, here you can see Solar NXG Plus 1100, Luminous company. Okay, here you can see on mains, solar charging, mains charging, power saver. Here you can see the toll-free number, friends. Eco mode, on battery, battery load, overload. Friends, here you can see power on button and power off button. Okay. Friends, mains on. That means whenever you are taking supply from mains, it is going to glow. Solar charging. Whenever the supply is from the solar, it is going to glow. Mains charging. Whenever the battery is charging through mains, it is going to glow. Here you can see power saver, friends. Whenever the power saving takes place, it is going to glow. Eco mode. Whenever the eco mode is on, it is going to glow. on battery. That means you are taking the supply from battery. Battery low. Whenever the battery low, it is going to glow. Overload. Whenever the overload takes place, it is going to glow, friends. This is the front side of the inverter, friends. Now I am going to show you the back side of the inverter. Friends, here you can see the mains fuse. I am opening this, friends. From this we are going to take the input to the inverter, friends. Okay. And coming to this, here you can see the output of the inverter. This is input, friends. 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Here you can see positive terminal of the battery, and here you can see the negative terminal of the battery, friends. Here you can see the heatsink, friends. This is going to control the temperature. Okay. Here you can see two screws, friends. Remove cover for charging current and battery type selection. Here you can see the battery type, friends. Tubular, flat plate, GEL or VRLA. Based on your selected battery, you have to select the battery type. Here you can see the charging current, friends. We have to select the charging current. Here you can see Eco mode or UPS mode. Press 2 seconds to change the mode. You have to press 2 seconds to change the mode, friends. Here you can see panel up to 800 watts by 12 volts. Okay, friends, here you can see the PV, positive and negative. Based on the respective polarity, you have to connect. Okay. Friends, here you can see the key features. Built-in intelligence to maximize use of solar power. Inbuilt solar charger with maximum solar current of 40 amperes. Pure sine wave output for better performance and safety of the connector loads. Configurable battery types. That means you can select battery types also for this inverter. Charging current selection. You can select charging current also, friends. Supports up to 800 watts solar panel. Okay. And here you can see the protection, friends. Short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload, over temperature. It is going to protect from these. Friends, here you can see the display indications. Mains available, solar charging, grid charging, power saving. Eco mode, system on battery, low battery, overload. Here you can see battery low pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit, false. Friends, here you can see manufacturing date, month and year. June 2020. Lot number. Product name Solar NXG Plus. Model 1100 by 12 volts. That means this is single battery inverter, friends. Here you can see voltage of 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. Quantity 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Maximum retail price. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For customer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the toll-free number, email ID, website. If you have any queries or complaints, you can contact through any of these. Friends, for more details, please go through the link in the description below. Follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you have any doubt or if you want to buy this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp call 9966 979707. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.